What's good, what's popping, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have like a seafood boil and we're celebrating my birthday. It's December 2nd, y'all. I turned 20 today. I don't look 20, I don't feel 20, but yeah, I'm blessed to be alive and to celebrate another year. So I came with y'all with a little seafood boil. So I have 2 lobster tails, I have steak, then I have crab legs, I have cucumbers back here, I have boiled eggs, and I have like regular butter sauce, and then I have beloved sauce right here. Okay, so I've been craving this show like crazy. I put a different jacket on because I don't want to get my other jacket dirty. I don't mind getting it dirty because it's black, but I need a cucumber. Pour a little bit more butter in here. Okay. So, today I didn't have the best birthday this year. There's just like so much going on, really, in my life right now. Good things and bad things. So, this is amazing. This was the only thing I was looking for my birthday. I was supposed to be vlogging for my birthday. That didn't happen because I ended up not doing anything that I was supposed to be doing for my birthday. I didn't have anything planned, but I knew I was supposed to be going on a date for my birthday, y'all. I'm not even gonna cap. But I chickened out. I don't like meeting, I don't mind meeting new people. It's just hard for me to start over. Like, it's scary starting over. But it's whatever. So, oh yeah, what else was I supposed to do today? Anyways, I'm glad I did not waste my money not to get my makeup done and all that just to not do nothing. Like, that would have been a waste of money and time. It's like a chill birthday, which usually every year I always do something. Like last year I went drunk bowling, but at least I get to spend it like with, you know, my close loved ones. So it's cool. Shout out. Shout out to my grandma because she made me this. She's like, what do you want for your birthday? I thought about, instead of going out, I'm gonna make something at home. So, yeah. Oh my god. I haven't had lobster in a minute. Let's get into it. It's that good. Oh my god. It's spicy. Y'all, I do not feel 20. I can't believe I'm 20. It just don't feel real. But it's real life. I did something, my grandma did something different with these crab legs. I told her, you know why? Instead of boiling them, can we try baking them? But truth is, I think I prefer baking it or boiling them because it's more juicy like that, and these are a little dry. But it's good though. It's still good. Right now, everybody got the flu going on. My mama is sick. And I don't have time for that. Don't laugh how I cook my steak, y'all. Okay. Listen. I'm gonna dip it in below sauce. I'm gonna use our fingers today. Boiled egg. So good. I got potatoes right here. Christmas is coming up. My birthday's out the way. Hallelujah. For my birthday, I got AirPods. And I also got a new phone for my birthday. My phone was an early Christmas present, or early birthday present. Oh, y'all, like my hair, I added blonde highlights to it. I like it. I had this hairstyle back in like 2020 where I added blonde highlights to it, but still my hair was longer. I recently cut my hair. My hair needs to be trimmed really bad, but I haven't had time to, you know, go get it cut or anything. You just be busy, especially around December. Everybody Christmas shopping, and I hate going out and being out because it's so busy, but you do what you gotta do. You know, some of y'all, I wish I was little again. Like, I wish I was younger again. I wish I still believed in Santa. Like, I want to go back to them times because that's when you really felt like the holiday spirit. I feel like I'm not really feeling the holiday spirit no more. It's sad. But I don't know, y'all. What is, oh, it's a potato, I was about to say. I'm just trying to get into it. Yo, look at this lobster tail. Lobster has to be my favorite. Like, come on. Bareface. As a woman, what do you guys like? Like, what's your favorite feature of getting done, like, of yourself to make yourself feel good? Like, your nails or your feet or your hair? Mine, I'll just say, I'm not even gonna lie, mine are my eyebrows. Ever since I was 12, I've been getting them waxed. I don't get them threaded because I don't got time to be in pain. Even though I do have a high pain tolerance, like, no, I don't have time. But yeah, I love keeping my eyebrows done. Y'all hear kids in the background, mind your business. No, I'm just playing. I'm sorry, but I can't help it, so sorry, not sorry. I'm so bad at cutting steak or like any meat. That's why I could never go on a date. No, I'm just playing. That's not why I didn't go on a date, y'all. But I would get like pasta or something if I went on a date. I would not get no damn steak. And they'd be like, why is you cutting it like that? How do y'all like your steak? This is well done. I like medium well done. Yeah. my friend did my hairstyle. What I wanted my hair done was box braids for my birthday, but nobody would do them because everybody's booked, but nobody want to make real money, quick easy money. Nobody want to do that. So that's what I was mad about. I really wanted like a hairstyle done for my birthday, and I couldn't get that done. So I just decided to put blonde streaks in my hair, because if I was gonna get my hair braided, I wasn't gonna put blonde streaks in my hair. I was gonna leave my hair long. But I was trying to make myself happy, cheer myself up a little. So I'm probably gonna get this up soon, but I hope y'all have a great Christmas. I hope y'all have a happy New Year. I know I'm trying to have a good New Year. You know, I'm trying to be more positive. Oh my God. Because what I learned is that the power of your tongue is really powerful. So if you talk down, saying a bunch of negative stuff, it's bound to happen. It don't hurt to be more positive. I've been like a loner. I like to just chill by myself, you know. I've always been like that, but like hearing about the Kanika Jenkins case and then the Shankula Robertson, but that case really broke my heart, and it just made me open my eyes, and I'm really glad I cut the friends that I did have off. So I'm really glad I opened my eyes and did a lot of cutting off. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys want me to post more, then comment down below what you guys want me to eat or what other videos you guys want me to do. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time.